to take our equipment. We're going to do it properly. We send them billions of dollars in aid. And if we're doing that, I think they should give our equipment back. But we left billions, tens of billions of dollars worth of equipment behind. Brand new trucks. You see them display it every year on their little roadways someplace. Afghanistan is one of the biggest sellers of military equipment in the world. You know why? They're selling the equipment when we left.
Doing a complete review of every single aspect of what happened with the botched withdrawal of Afghanistan and plan to have full accountability.